Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the Miheki portable washing machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. The ROVSUN model offers a larger capacity and a built-in drain pump, while the Miheki model boasts a foldable design and multiple washing modes. Let's dive in. The ROVSUN washing machine has a total capacity of 15 pounds, which includes 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the Miheki, which has a capacity of 13 Ls. The larger capacity of the ROVSUN allows for more laundry to be done in a single cycle, making it a better choice for those who need to wash more clothes at once. The ROVSUN features a twin tub design, allowing for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save time. In contrast, the Miheki has a foldable design that makes it highly portable and easy to store. This design is perfect for those with limited space, such as in apartments or while traveling. The ROVSUN washing machine includes a built-in drain pump, which simplifies the process of removing water after washing. On the other hand, the Miheki offers 3 different washing modes, catering to various laundry needs, especially for delicate items. This versatility makes the Miheki a great option for users who frequently wash different types of clothing. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and Miheki portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The ROVSUN is ideal for larger loads and offers a robust design, while the Miheki is perfect for those who prioritize portability and versatility. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.